Hello and welcome to English with Umme, your favorite place to practice English naturally and speak with confidence. Whether you're at home, in your car, or walking in the park, this podcast is designed for you, the English learner who wants to become a confident speaker. I'm Adil.
And I'm Sarah. In today's episode, we're doing something fun and real.
Yeah, we're just going to talk about our daily routines, like how our day starts, what we do, and how we end our day.
So it's not a lesson, it's a real conversation. You'll hear natural English, real expressions, and daily vocabulary.
Let's jump right in.
Okay, Adil, be honest. What time do you usually wake up?
Honestly, around 7:30 if I'm lucky, but sometimes I hit the snooze button like 3 times. You?
I try to wake up at 6:30, but I don't always succeed. First thing I do is check my phone, which is a bad habit.
Same here. Instagram, emails, WhatsApp, it never ends. Then I drag myself to the bathroom to freshen up.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes just tea and a biscuit. What about you?
I make oats or eggs if I have time. And I always need my coffee. No coffee, no energy.
So relatable. Do you plan your day in the morning?
Sometimes. I use a to-do list app, but mostly I just remember things in my head.
What do your work hours look like?
I usually start by 9 a.m. I check my emails, attend meetings, and then dive into my main tasks.
I work from home, so I start a little late, but I do a lot of content writing and research.
That's cool. Do you take breaks?
Yes, I need a coffee break at around 11. Without it, I feel sleepy. You?
Definitely. I try to walk around or just stretch a little.
I think breaks are super important, especially if you're sitting all day.
Totally agree. And lunchtime?
Around 1 p.m., I usually have something light, like dal chawal or sandwich.
I love desi food too, but I try to eat salads or sometimes order something. After work, what do you do?
I usually take a nap if I can, then maybe go for a walk or hang out with friends.
That's nice. I try to go to the gym in the evening. It really helps me feel fresh.
Wow, I should join a gym too, but I'm just too lazy. Ha ha ha.
Even 15 minutes of exercise helps.
Do you cook dinner?
Not always. Sometimes I cook simple meals or just reheat leftovers.
Same here. And after dinner?
Netflix or YouTube. Sometimes I read too.
I'm addicted to short videos these days. Time just flies.
So, what's your bedtime routine?
I brush my teeth, scroll a bit on my phone, and then fall asleep around 11:30 or midnight.
I try to sleep by 11, but usually end up watching one more video.
We're all guilty of that. Do you use a night mode on your phone?
Yes! Blue light filter is a must. Otherwise, I can't sleep properly.
Do you reflect on your day before bed?
Sometimes. I try to think of 3 good things that happened. It keeps me positive.
That's a great idea. I'll try that tonight.
So that was our day. Pretty normal, right?
Yes, but these small conversations help improve real-life English so much.
We hope you guys enjoyed this episode and learned something new.
Let us know how your routine looks. Comment or message us on comment section. And don't forget to follow our podcast. New episodes every day.
Thanks for listening. Bye.
Bye.